Vivo watch confirmed to be unveiled on September 22nd. Vivo has confirmed that it will launch its first smartwatch in China next week. In a post on Chinese microblogging site, Weibo, the company announced that it would officially unveil the Vivo watch on Tuesday, September 22nd. The company also posted a teaser image, see above, which suggests that the device will ship with a round dial with 2 physical buttons. While Vivo might be playing its cards close to its chest, recent leaks have revealed some of the key aspects of the upcoming device. According to Weibo posts by prolific tipster, Digital Chat Station, the Vivo watch will be available in 2 sizes, 42mm and 46mm. It will reportedly have a battery life of up to 18 days, and will ship in 4 color options. The device is also said to come with a heart rate monitor and may have a price tag of 1,000 yuan, Rs 10,000 in China. The same tipster had earlier revealed some additional info about the 46mm variant of the device. According to them, the wearable will ship with a round OLED display, a heart rate monitor, a blood oxygen, SPO2 sensor and an NFC chip. Other features are expected to include Vivo's Jovi voice assistant, 5 ATM water resistance and built-in storage for music playback. The Vivo watch received its 3C certification in June, revealing its model number, WA2056. The device has since been certified by the Bluetooth SIG, revealing that it will support Bluetooth 5.0. It has also since been spotted on the websites of Intellectual Property India, IPI, and European Union Intellectual Property Office, UIPO.